Don't worry, Master. I have a plan to change everything.
You do? But you're just a cat.
I may be a cat, but I'm also very clever. Just give me a pair of boots and I will take care of the rest.
The owner looks confused, but hands Puss a pair of small boots.
Perfect. Now watch, what can I do? Your Majesty, I have come on behalf of my noble master to visit you these gifts.
Gifts? Who is our master?
Master, the Marquis of Carabas, he is very wealthy and wants to show you his gratitude.
How thoughtful. Tell your master I am most pleased. Perhaps I shall visit him one day.
He would be honored, Your Majesty.
Puss, where have you been?
Master, I told the Queen that your great and wealthy Marquis wants to meet you.
What? I am not a Marquis.
Don't worry, I have everything under control. Soon you will be living like royalty.
It's an honor to meet you, Marquis of Carabas.
Ah, yes. It's an honor to meet you too, Your Majesty.
Your cat, Puss, has told me wonderful things about you. I would love to get to know you better.
Just follow me, Buster. Everything will be fine.
Oh my gosh, rat! Help!
Let me help you, Your Majesty.
Marquis, I believe you are a very special man. I would like you to live in my castle as my guest.
Thank you, Your Majesty. I couldn't done this without Puss.
Master, I told you with a clever cat like me, anything is possible.